Hi everyone, welcome to class 3 of the Introduction to Meditation series. My name is Tesia. Thank you so much again for joining me today. I'm very grateful to have you all here listening. So the meditation that we're going to be doing now is pretty much a grounding style meditation. This one's going to be very much focused on the mind-body connection. But as you noticed in the last meditation, that was all about the body, the different layers of the body, and our experience in our body. Now we're going to focus a little bit more on the mind. So we're going to recognize the quality of thoughts, recognize the impermanence of thoughts, and then ground ourselves back into the body. So essentially, this is the foundation of Vipassana meditation, which is for concentration and insight. And here we're really going to be focused on the concentration piece. So we'll begin sitting up nice and tall, perhaps sitting in a chair if you notice any tension in the lower back and the hips. Closing your eyes if it's comfortable for you to do so. Just allowing the arms to fall heavy, either in your lap, by your side. And at the sound of the bell, maintaining your awareness on your breath for the full length of the sound of the bell. Breathing in and breathing out. If it helps, you may wish to repeat in your mind's eye, I am breathing in, I am breathing out. Or simply the words in and out. In and out. Allowing for a natural rhythm of the breath. Not wanting to change or control anything about the breathing, simply allowing the breath to breathe itself. You may notice the mind begins to wander, hopping on thought trains, drawing us into the future, or even pulling us into the past. When you do notice that you are on a train of thought, you may wish to say, I am on a thought train. Praise yourself for having noticed. And then gently guide your awareness back to the breath or to the words in and out. The true nature of the mind is to wander. And when we do notice the wandering mind, take a moment to notice how that feels in your body. Noticing how each thought has a physical sensation. And again, whenever you notice the pull of the thought train, inviting your awareness back into the body or into the breath, and meeting your experience with an attitude of kindness, or even an attitude of curiosity. Breathing in and breathing out. Being mindful that it's not about how long we can stay with the breath, but it's about how often we can return to the present moment. Our ability to come back to the breath, to the body in this moment, and treating this moment with curiosity, non-judgmental awareness. The practice of returning is what develops our strength, our resilience, and our steadiness. Breathing in and breathing out. Noticing how all thoughts are not permanent. Detaching yourself from your thoughts. and grounding your being in the present. Pure awareness. Notice the thoughts. Observe the thoughts. Praise yourself for having noticed. And invite the focus back in awareness of right here, right now. And at the sound of the bell, maintaining your awareness on your breath for the full length of the sound of the bell. And when you feel ready, reconnecting with the energy of the space around you and opening your eyes. Namaste.